If you've watched older tutorials, you've heard of the Microsoft 365 Developer Program, the forever free sandbox. I have bad news. In 2025, Microsoft restricted this program. Unless you pay for Visual Studio, you can't get in.
But don't worry, we are going to build a Microsoft 365 E5 trial environment. It lasts for 30 days, and I'm going to show you how to set it up correctly so you don't get stuck with a useless license.
Let's start when you search for the trial. You will often land on this page. Stop. Look at the title.
It says Office 365 E5. This is the trap. This license includes Word and Excel, but it does not include Intune. But we are going to proceed anyway. Why? Because I want to teach you how to fix bad licensing manually, a skill you will need in the real world.
Now watch closely. By default, the subscription length is set to 1 year. I am leaving it on 1 year for this demo, but you need to be very careful. If you forget to cancel this trial in 29 days, you could be billed for a full year.
Pause the video right now, set a reminder on your phone for 29 days from today. Seriously. Do it now. Enter your email. Microsoft will check if you already have an account. Click Set Up Account. Fill in your details. Now we get to the most important part, creating your domain.
You need to create a unique domain ending in .onmicrosoft.com. Pick something professional, like MD102-your-name. This will be your permanent tenant ID. You cannot change this later, so make it good. Create your password and save it.
Next, enter your payment details. Microsoft requires this to verify you aren't a bot. It will show $0 due today. Click Start Trial. Now, secure your account. You will need the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Scan the QR code. This isn't just for the lab. This is exactly how you will secure users in the real world using Entra ID. Click Start Using. Welcome to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Now let's look at what we bought. Go to Billing, then Your Products.
Here is the problem. You see, Office 365 E5, that gives us Teams and SharePoint, but we are missing the engine. We have no Intune and no Entra ID P2.
To fix this, we need to manually add the security stack. Go to the Marketplace on the left. Search for Enterprise Mobility plus Security E5. This is the magic add-on. It includes Intune, Entra ID P2, and Defender. Click Start Free Trial for this one too. It's free. Now, look at your inventory. You have the Office license for apps and the EMS license for management. This combo approach is exactly how many real-world enterprises are licensed. You didn't just set up a lab, you learned how licensing actually works. Final test. Go to intune.microsoft.com. If the dashboard loads, you are ready. In the next video, we dive into identity. We will learn why Active Directory is dead and create your first cloud users. See you there.